is your area of concentration in physics if you'll be writing JAMB. So I'll be giving you the topics in physics that will come out. This is the syllabus that JAMB UTME as a body brought out. So let's look at it one after the other. Number one topic you should know is measurements and units. Measurements and units. So in this area, you have length, area, and volume. That is things that involve meter rule, vernier calipers, micrometer, screw gauge, measuring cylinder. Then go to mass. Another area to focus on is time, fundamental physical quantities. These fundamental physical quantities involve identify the unit of time. Use a different time measuring device. Let the fundamental physical quantity of their unit. Derived physical quantities and their units. Dimensions. Limitations of experimental measures. Measurements. Positions, distance and displacement. Then the second topic to focus on is vectors and scalars, or scalars and vector. Both their definitions, examples, relative velocity, and all the rest. When you go to your physics topic textbook, you see scalars and vectors. Then we'll go to motion. Under motion, you should know types of motion, relative motion, causes of motion, types of force, linear motion, projectile, Newton laws of motion, all the laws of motion by Newton, motion in a cycle, simple harmonic motion, H.S, SMH, SHM. Gravitational field is another topic, a topic on its own. Of course, you must know Newton's law of universal gravitation, all the laws of gravity is very important. That is the fourth topic. The fifth topic is equilibrium of forces, equilibrium of particles, principles of movement, condition for equilibrium of rigid bodies, center of gravity and stability. The sixth topic is work, energy, and power. These are the topics, areas of concentration for you. Then dams, seventh topic is friction. Of course, you should expect friction, static and dynamic friction, or everything about friction. When you go to your textbook, you should be able to find these topics and you concentrate on them. Simple machines, electricity, Hooke's law and Young's modulus. This is a topic that you must focus on. The next topic in your area of concentration for physics is pressure, both atmospheric pressure, pressure in liquids, liquids at rest, temperature and its measurement, and all the rest. Then the next area to focus on is thermal expansion, both thermal expansion of solids and thermal expansion of liquids. The next is gas laws. But before I give you what is involved in gas laws, I would encourage you to go over and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. The reason why I want you to subscribe is if you subscribe, you will be able to get updates when we post other videos like this and other tutorials. We have handled some of these topics. Some of these topics our tutors have handled, then you will see how they were solved. So if you subscribe, you will be able to see those videos. So go ahead and subscribe now and click on the notification button. And a bonus for you, if you subscribe, go to the comment section of this video and tell me that you subscribed. Then I will send you as a gift, appreciation gift, I will send you this material that contains this scheme of work or area of concentration. I will send it to you as a PDF so that you will be able to look at it on your own and study all the details. I'm just giving it to you brief by brief. So subscribe and tell me you subscribe and I will send it to you as a gift. So the fourth topic for physics, your area of concentration, is gas laws. Gas law. Then the fifth is heat, quantity of heat. Just go to your textbook, you'll be able to find this topic. And in our channel, we have handled some of them. The 16th topic is state of change of states, which involve latent heat, melting, evaporation, boiling, and all the rest. Then vapors, which involve unsaturated and saturated vapors. Then we have structure of matter and kinetic theory, which involve molecular nature of matter, kinetic theory of matter. The 19th topic is heat transfer, which involve conduction, convection, and radiation. Even the thermoflux and all the rest. The 20th topic is waves, which involve production and propagation of waves with all the formulas and solvings, classification of waves, characteristics and properties of waves. The 21st topic is propagation of sound wave. The next is characteristics of sound wave with all the solvings and formulas. The next is light energy, which involves source of light, propagation of light. The next topic, as we study, we'll be taking them one by one after the others. Reflection of light at plane and curved surface. This will involve things like laws of reflection, refraction, and all the rest. 25th is refraction of light through plane and curved surface, which involves explanation of refraction in terms of velocity of light in the media, laws of refraction, and all the rest with the calculation. Gas prism with the calculation. Then 26th topic is optical instruments. This has to do with microscope and all the rest, lenses and all the rest. 27th topic is dispersion of light and colors. Dispersion of light and colors. Then the 28th topic is electrostasis, electrostatics. 29th topic is capacitors, both types and functions of capacitors, parallel plate capacitor, capacitance of capacitor, and all how to solve them, all the equations. The 30th topic for physics is, I'm just giving you your area of concentration if you are writing physics, electric cells. Then the next topic is current electricity. Then electrical energy and power. Then magnet and magnetic field. You need to know soft ion, steel, North Pole, South Pole, stuff like that. Then forces on a current carrying conductor in a magnetic field. This is another topic. Another topic is electromagnetic induction. This one has to involve Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, Lenz's law, transformer, and all the rest. Then inductance, application of inductance, AD current, another topic is simple AC circuits. Simple AC circuits. The next topic, 37th topic, is conduction of electricity through liquids, gases. Then elementary modern physics in Bohr's theory. Elementary modern physics in Bohr's theory. Then introductory electronics, both metals, semiconductors, insulators, things like that. Now, these 39 topics are the topics you should expect as you prepare for your physics examination for your JAMB. If you subscribe and send me a message in the comment that you subscribe, I will send you this material as a PDF file so that you will be able to look at them very well as you prepare. I wish you good luck. Remember to subscribe. If you have questions, feel free to ask me right now. Thank you so much, and